Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are on page 121 of your student journal, and we're going to continue with what we've been doing. We're just going to have a different whole length unit today, but our goal is going to be the same. Today I will measure lengths of objects using whole length units. So the first day we did this, our whole length units were paper clips. And yesterday our whole length units were cubes. And today our whole length unit is going to be buttons. So these are what we're going to be using. And remember, a whole length unit is just a repeated unit that's smaller than what we're measuring. So the buttons are smaller than the bandage and we're repeating using them. Okay. So just what we've done the last few days is we're getting creative, because if you were in class today, in your classroom, your teacher would be able to give you this long strip of buttons, and it would be nice and easy to use, but we can be flexible and creative. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video and go have a mom or dad help us, and we're going to cut out a strip of buttons to use. So please stop your video, cut out your buttons, and then we can get started. So what I want to see with your buttons is, remember, they end right there and they start. So a nice long strip of your buttons. Okay, when you are ready, you can join me again. I'm going to start today, and here is my first picture with my red pen, so you can just watch me for a moment. The spoon is about blank buttons long. Okay, so let's put my buttons down. Oh, looks like it's not long enough. It looks like I'm ending kind of about here. How many buttons do I have so far on there? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. Do I have room for one more at the end? Oh, I think I could fit one more at the end. So if I had 6 buttons, plus 1 at the end, is that 7 buttons total? Okay, let's try another one. The hammer is about blank buttons long. Okay, so here's my buttons. Oh, it's not long enough, so let's put a line where I stopped. How many did I put so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many more can I fit after it? Ooh, I think this time I can fit 2 more. So if I had 6 and 2, that's not a 12, but 6 and 2, does that tell me I have 8 buttons total? Yep. Okay, let's try some together. So let's turn to page 122. And I picked up my green pen because you're going to do it with me. And let's see our first one. It says the key is about blank buttons long. So let's put our key up. Buttons. Oh. Looks like it's too long. It looks like I don't need that last one. So how many did I put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 5 buttons long. Okay, let's check our crayon. The crayon is about blank buttons long. Ooh, what do you think, boys and girls? I'm thinking it's about 3 buttons long. Okay, let's do 2 more together today. So let's turn the page. And let's do this one together. The pencil is about blank buttons long. Okay, so let's put our buttons there. Ooh, it's definitely not long enough. Let's put a line where we stopped it. So how many did we already put down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more can fit? What do you think? I think I can fit 4 more. So if I had 6 here and 4 here, what is that total? I think it's 10 buttons. Okay, let's do one last one together. The paintbrush is about blank buttons long. So how many buttons was that long? Let's see. I think 4. The paintbrush is 4 buttons long. Okay, boys and girls. So you are now going to do page 124 and 125. Have a great night. Bye-bye.